My name is Amphim Sondamope. Good morning. Countrymen and women and all football lovers. Early this morning, it was brought to my attention that the Football Association of Zambia election scheduled for today, 29th of March 2025, in Livingstone have been altered due to the injunction obtained from the High Court of Zambia, purported to arise from a petition filed by myself. I wish to state that the said petition is not within my knowledge. Arising from the above, I wish to inform the nation and set the record straight that I did not sign or file any court process in the High Court or any other court in Zambia petitioning to today's election. I therefore distance myself from the circulation on social media that I obtained an injunction against today's elections. If the said petition was made under my name, it was done so without my knowledge and approval. And I will be taking legal action against those that used my name and signed the document without my authority and knowledge. I thank you.